What's up, YouTube family? This your boy Neil back with another reaction for you. So your boy gonna pull up something pretty nice for you here today, man. Just some things that, top horrifying things recovered from science labs, man. This is crazy. And shout out to Top Amazing, man. Most amazing top 10 videos. Man, they are the truth, man. I'm telling you, they got some good stuff too, man. Y'all check them out. So yeah, so without further ado, we're gonna go ahead and get into this video, man. I'm just bringing something to y'all, man, because this is the first time I'm seeing it too. So every time I do a reaction, I see it for the first time, just like y'all seen it, man. So let's get into it, shall we? Let's do this.
Will take over the world. Let's talk about this.
Let's get it back for y'all.
From mutated animals to robots that will take over the world. Let's talk about this and more only in today's video. Starting off this countdown, we have the robo-rats and cyber beetles. So scientists have found a way to control rats and beetles with remote controls. I don't know about you, but controlling live beings with a remote seems very wrong to me. So the rats are being controlled with electrodes implanted into their forebrain. The beetles, on the other hand, are designed so that they can spy on people. There will be a tiny camera implanted onto their body, and the scientists will be able to control the beetle's behaviors. I feel like it's easier to make a robotic beetle instead of a real-life one, but you do you. Either way, this is pretty creepy. Like, this is what the world is coming to. Maybe pigeons are spies. In our 9th spot, we have the robot that eats. We are getting too carried away here with robots. I swear, scientists just made a robot that can reproduce or something like that. They're becoming too smart and lifelike. Soon, they will wipe out the entire human race. Well, scientists have designed a robot that can eat. This is called the Eater robot, or EATR. This stands for Energetically Autonomous Tactical Robot. Now, developers say that it's strictly vegetarian, but I don't buy it. Next thing you know, it's gonna start eating humans, or it's gonna...
That's crazy, man. That's crazy. Man, I'm telling y'all, we got some stuff out here now, man, that's just it's crazy. It's ridiculous, y'all.
Gonna go around chopping down our trees and eating those. I'm telling you, these robots are bad news. Moving on to number 8, we have the bacon. Now, bacon isn't scary, it's delicious.
Me personally, I don't eat pork anyway. So for those who eat pork, to each his own. I try to stay away from the pork, man. But let's see what they got to say about this.
You know what is scary though? Scientists using pig stem cells to grow pig muscles. Through this, they have been able to make pork that you can eat. I don't know about you, but I do not want to be eating bacon that was grown in a lab. It just seems wrong. Scientists believe that lab-grown meat will be part of our life in the future. It's a way to feed the hungry and reduce environmental waste. I mean, I'm all here for that. It just still seems a little unnatural to me. Coming in at number 7, we have the Russian sleep experiment. Now, you're probably like, Lindsay, isn't this just a creepy pasta? Well, yes and no. Some believe that it's grounded in truth. So the story goes that in the 1940s, Russian researchers were conducting unethical tests on enemy prisoners, which they were. They captured 5 enemies, and they planned to keep them awake for 30 days using a gas-based stimulant. They call this the Russian sleep experiment. They wanted to see the effects that sleep deprivation had on the brain. And in the end, everything goes wrong, and these prisoners spiral into madness, and they all die in different gruesome ways. Like I said, this story might be true, and if that's the case, then the findings are absolutely horrifying. In our 6th spot today, we have the zombie dogs. In 1942, Russian scientists revealed that they had managed to keep a severed dog's head alive. They released a video as proof, and it showed the severed dog wiggling its ears and...
Have y'all seen this before? I've never seen that before. I've never seen that. What?
Licking things. They did so by creating an artificial blood circulation system known as the autojector. Then in 2005, the experiment was done again, this time with American scientists. They used a similar device to keep the dog alive. Actually, the dog was killed, and then they gave it a blood transfusion and electric shock, and then bam, it was brought back to life. Hence why I named this the zombie dogs. Now, this is pretty creepy if you ask me, but these studies are done to see if it's possible to revive and save injured humans. We're now at our 5th and halfway mark with the alligators. In 2019, American scientists captured 40 alligators and drugged them with They did this in order to learn more about dinosaurs. Because alligators are one of the only animal species on the planet that share genetic and behavioral similarities with dinosaurs. So they started by drugging them and giving them earbuds to see how they experience audio. They then attached electrodes onto their...
The things we do, man. The things we just... things that we doing. That our scientists out here doing, man. Just experimenting with stuff. You know what I'm saying? So it's like... I don't know. It's crazy. They what are they doing? What are these scientists doing, man? It's not that serious. We don't have to do all this. We don't need to. What do we need this for? I mean, that's just anything to just call it science. Man.
Their brains, which seems pretty extreme for these poor gators. Like, imagine if someone just kidnapped you and began studying you and drilled a hole in your brain. Bet you wouldn't like that, would you? In our fourth spot, we have monkeys. Here's another unethical task that was done on animals. This time, monkeys were their task subjects. So scientists in China decided to manipulate monkeys so that they were plagued with mental health issues. They made them develop anxiety, depression, schizophrenia, and even sleep disorders. And then they cloned them. Their goal was to create a whole group of monkeys who all experience these mental health issues and then study them. Coming in at number 3, we have the alien laboratory. Rumor has it that there is a secret alien lab located under the small town of Dulce in New Mexico. That's where the government is conducting a number of crazy experiments, including human-animal hybrids and human-alien hybrids. In fact, a number of UFO sightings have been reported in that area. And this place is pretty close to Skinwalker Ranch. Maybe this base has something to do with all this. In our second spot today, we have the Snake Laboratory. Urban explorers that go by the name Urbex Session discovered something quite shocking while exploring areas in Japan. They came across an abandoned lab that was filled with hundreds of snakes. Now don't worry, these snakes weren't slithering around on the ground. They actually were preserved in jars. The lab was just covered in these jars with hundreds of different snakes. Now I don't know about you, but snakes creep me out. So coming across that would be my worst nightmare. And in our number 1 spot today, we have the Military Science Lab. In 2020, 2 urban explorers, Matt Madden and Annie Thompson, snuck into an abandoned secret military lab in Worcester, England. Rumor has it that this lab was used for the development of biological warfare. Well, when exploring, they came across a number of creepy things, including evidence that the rumors were true. This place was used for the development of biological warfare weapons. They found hazmat suits, interrogation rooms, and quarantine rooms. Most shockingly, they found dried blood all over the floor. Not only that, but the explorers wondered why everyone just up and left. Like all the expensive equipment was left behind. Well, they think maybe an outbreak or something occurred and everyone just fled for their lives. How?
I think so.
Alright guys, that's all for today's video. Let me know which one of these things.
Yeah, man, so top 10 horrifying things recovered from science labs, y'all. That was a good one. But that was definitely eye-opening to some of the things they were doing, man. With the dog head, that is crazy. With the dog, you see how they had the dog actually moving? Like they had some kind of thing connected to the dog. That was crazy. That is by far one of the craziest things I've seen on here. One of the craziest things I've seen, and I watch YouTube a lot. So I appreciate y'all checking me out today, man. Please like and subscribe, man. So next time that I do upload a video, man, that you will know that it's been uploaded. Look, man, get with your boy. Your boy is gone. I'm outie. Peace.